To replace the blot pads, we're gonna start again with place new grid, and we're basically going to simulate a blotting but without a pair of tweezers in the Vitrobot. So when we start in a situation like this, with the insertion rod down, with the plunging rod down, we lift the plunging rod but without a pair of tweezers, and then we open the chamber. When the chamber is opened, we can use one of the filter papers and one of the rings, mount them together and place them on one of the blot pads. Make sure to do this gently because you probably have just aligned the two blot pads, which you cannot do while using filter paper. So you have to place the filter paper after alignment. And also on the other side, like so. Then we close the door and then we're ready for preparing samples.